Our journey to selecting our dream home was filled with lots of virtual and in person tours. This was one of the homes that we narrowed down. I loved the aesthetic of it, but when I got there, it was slightly different than what I imagined. The dining room was all the way at the back, and even if I loved the living room and the windows, there was just something kind of off about the house. Yes, the closet space is phenomenal, but there were just like flickering lights and all sorts of weird things. I'm like, do we have ghosts or something? The bathroom was very beautiful, but it didn't have a tub, and that's one of my deal breakers. I had to have a tub. But overall, it was a nice home. It just didn't quite make the cut. The backyard is so well manicured, amazing. This was one that we loved, but we couldn't even film it because it was off the market. And finally, we chose our dream home, which is this beauty right here. I will give you guys a tour of the inside. When I opened the door, I fell in love with the entryway. Oh my God, I'm so excited. It's absolutely gorgeous. Love. The living room is beautiful. I have a real fireplace, y'all. This is nice, and so much space for the dining. There's so much to love about this house, but one of my favorites is the kitchen. Honestly, look at the windows. So good. And one of my other favorite parts, I love the double doors right here. And look at that garden tub. So nice. And mirror. I love that frosted window. And the closet space is divine. Yes, ma'am. We have designated the upstairs space the man cave, so it's the entire upper part, and we could be very creative here. It is so spacious, enough to host an entire theater if we wanted to. The back of the house is beautiful. Backyard space is humongous. It is gorgeous.